Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw a helicopter. Let's begin by drawing the shape of its tail rotor. Then the shape of the helicopter's body. Helicopters, those whirly wonders that dance among the clouds. With spinning blades, a nose for adventure, and a heart full of airborne joy, helicopters are the sky-dancing marvels that turn the blue canvas into a playground of excitement. Next, the cockpit. Let's draw a window. Then the landing skid. And the main rotor. A helicopter is like a flying friend with wings and a twirling crown of blades. It's a special kind of aircraft that can hover in one place, zoom forward, backward, and even dance up and down. It's time to color the helicopter together. The cockpit and window are light shade of blue and yellow. Take a look at the helicopter. The main engine is running and about to take off. The body of the helicopter is red color. The tail rotor is pink and purple color. The landing skid is green color. And the main rotor is pink and purple color as well. You have fun today. Thanks for watching.